Hello and welcome to this training section. Now today in this video I will teach you how to start a YouTube gospel channel without copyright infringement. Now YouTube is very strict when it comes to copyrights. That is to say, a whole lot of times you can upload a video on your YouTube channel and the next thing you see is boom, copyright claim or copyright strike. And whenever you have copyright issues like this, it can actually cause problems for you whenever you want to monetize your YouTube channel, because that's the goal. We start YouTube channel because we are looking forward to one day monetizing our YouTube channel so that we can make money from it. So of what use would it be that you have a YouTube channel, you've been uploading contents only for you to get ready to approve yourself for monetization, and then you end up having issues getting approved for monetization due to copyrights. So that's why it's important that in this video today, while I teach you how to start up a gospel YouTube channel, I also teach you how to prevent copyright infringements. So you want to make sure that you stay calm and watch this video to the very end, because I'll be going straight forward to everything that I'll be talking about. And also, you want to make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn the notification bell, because in this channel, all I post are contents that help you create a career for yourself that can help you make money even online. So hit the subscribe button and turn the notification bell, because the bell helps you get notified anytime that I release a new content. So if you have subscribed, thank you very much. Now let's proceed. Now, the first thing you always want to ask yourself is, before you create a YouTube channel, what niche do you want to focus on? As we all know that there are so many niches. There's the football niche, movie niche, there's gospel niche, there's music niche, and so on. So today we are talking about a gospel YouTube channel niche. Now, a gospel YouTube channel is a channel where you post gospel related contents. Now, I'm not talking about gospel music. Now I'm talking about preaching. All right, I'm talking about preaching of pastors. All right, so what you want to do is to upload videos of pastors who are preaching. All right, now the thing you want to focus on is, now what you want to do is to upload videos of pastors while they are preaching. Now this video is not just to teach you how to start a gospel channel, but also to teach you how to even grow your YouTube channel faster. So I'm going to give you a lot of tricks on how to grow your YouTube channel faster, if only you would take your pen right now and keep jotting down every single thing that I'll be teaching you here. Okay, let's begin. Now, in order for you to grow your YouTube channel fast on the gospel niche, number one, you want to focus on at least one or just two pastors. I see a lot of people struggling with their gospel channels because they upload too many pastors, different pastors. You need to understand that the YouTube algorithm focuses more on what you post more consistently. That is why it is important to be consistent in your posting, and it's also important to be focused on one or two, if possible just one, so that the YouTube algorithm can be able to identify your YouTube channel as a YouTube channel for this particular thing. All right, so for instance, we have several pastors on the internet, many of them, but let us focus on a few popular pastors that I know and that I'm sure you too might likely know. Number one, we have Apostle Joshua Selman. Number two, we have Apostle Michael Oropo. Number three, we have Pastor Chris Oyakilome. Number four, we have Prophet Isaiah Wealth, and so many more. So you want to start a YouTube gospel channel, I would advise that you focus on one for now, until when your YouTube channel has grown and you have monetized your YouTube channel. Then you can start posting 2 or more pastors as you desire, because at that time you have organically grown your YouTube channel with 1,000 subscribers who subscribe to your channel because of what you post. And YouTube also at that time has approved your YouTube channel as a YouTube channel that posts contents related to this pastor or that pastor, depending on the pastor you are posting. Now, if you have understood the first 6 minutes of this video, then I want to believe that you are at the edge of getting started. So the first thing I said is you want to know your niche, which is the gospel niche I'm teaching you right now. And the second thing is you want to pick the pastor you want to post more on your YouTube channel. So let's assume you have picked a pastor. Now the next thing you want to do is you want to locate the main YouTube channel of that pastor or the church of the pastor. Like for instance, if you were looking for Apostle Joshua Salmon's YouTube channel, you wouldn't see a YouTube channel that belongs to the apostle himself, but you would see his church, Koinonia Global. So you could search for the name of his church and you would indeed find the YouTube channel that belongs to him. We're going to make a little research on those things in my next video. So once you have found out his YouTube channel, the next thing you want to do is to subscribe to it. In their main YouTube channel, you would find the video of the preacher of even about 1 hour, 2 hours, or even 3 hours preaching. And I will tell you what you really need to do with those things in my next video. Just make sure that you are paying close attention to the tips that I'm giving you for the start of your YouTube channel. So once you have gotten the YouTube channel of the pastor you want to be posting, hit the subscribe button and turn the notification bell of that channel so that whenever they post a new content, you will also get notified instantly. And I will tell you what you want to use that for in my next video. So for now, if you know you have gained something new in this which I've just taught you, why not hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, turn the notification bell so that you will continue to learn even more from me. And I will see you on my next video.